Look at you, smart you. Look at your strong little back. Ooh, that feels so good. That feels so good. You got your little Peter Rabbit dress on.
Huh?
I'll tell you later.
You got your little Peter Rabbit dress on. Yes. You're such a good baby. Such a good baby, such a good baby. We got you an Easter card. Yes, we did. You can ask your daddy if he would open it. Ask your daddy if he would
I love how she
open
just throws her arms back up there like that.
it. And see, that I like that. That shows that she's relaxed.
Oh, good enough. Here.
I'm sorry, I messed up. I messed it up. You want me to rub your feet? I think you like that too. Oh, yes.
Does she still have her socks on?
Yes. These are wonderful socks. These are wonderful socks.
Still got my socks on.
Oh, no, 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 no. There's no reason to cry. There's no reason to cry. No.
I'm just working on a little something.
Goodness,
Just working on a little something special for you.